Hello, magandang araw. So, bago tayo mag-start with life points navigation, so first and foremost, you need to have these three things in mind. So, first, dapat meron kang email. So, working email, kahit Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, basta working email, na exclusive sana para sa surveys. Para lahat ng surveys mo, doon mo lang marireceive. Guaranteed naman na walang spam na sinisend si Life Points. Pero to be safe, wag yung personal email ang gamitin. Mag-create kayo ng bagong email para sa surveys na ito. Or para sa survey na ibibigay ni Life Points. Okay, next, PayPal account. So kung wala ka pang PayPal account, create ka muna ng PayPal account mo kasi that's the best way to redeem yung points para ma-encash mo siya. So, create ka ng PayPal account. Madali lang naman siyang gawin. And you can use yung same email na ginagamit mo for life points para dun sa PayPal account mo. And you can add backup email din naman once you created PayPal account. That's number 2. Okay, lastly, dapat meron kang local bank account. So, any bank account, basta bank account. So, BPI, BDO, so name it. Kailangan meron kang local bank account. Kung maaari sana, exclusive din para dito sa survey na to. Or pwedeng yung extra account nyo siya na hindi yung main account nyo. So, dito ipapasok ni PayPal yung money. But ko sinabing sana exclusive na lang para dito kasi nga, etong account nyo na to, bank account, ililink nyo to kay PayPal eh. So, just to be sure, though PayPal is safe, para lang additional layer of security. Kayo, set aside ng isang account, bank account, na exclusive para dito sa life points nyo. Okay? Just to be safe. So once you have all these three things prepared, you're actually good to go. And on that note, let's start. Okay, sa life points, nagpapadala sila regularly ng email sa mailbox nyo to notify kung meron ng bagong survey. So that's one way to check na rin. Kung wala kayong time sa morning, sa gabi pwede nyo i-check yung email nyo. Or pwede kayong dumiretso na mismo sa site to check kung merong available na survey. So, sa live points, ganito normally yung makikita nyo sa screen kapag merong survey na available. So, minsan may mga polling din sila na sinisend and this give you points din naman. For example, etong poll na to, which of the following insurance products are you familiar? So, ganyan yung mga sample ng survey nila. So, basta sagutan mo lang. Bigyan ka nila ng 1 point after mong sagutan. Ayan o. Take more survey. Click mo lang yan. So, ganun lang kasimple. Mabilis lang siya gawin. For example, eto, may bago ulit survey. Check natin. 150 for 150 points. Yan. So, yun yung mga sample survey. Sagutan nyo lang honestly yung mga question. Ayun. So, minsan, pag hindi swak yung requirement nila for the survey sa'yo, hindi ikaw yung tamang respondent para doon sa survey na kailangan nila. So, may mga qualification din kasi sana sa mga survey nila. So, hindi ka pumasok. So, yan. Ganyan normally yung nangyayari. And at times, nabibigyan naman sila ng 2 points. Tingnan natin kung bibigyan ako nito ng 2 points. Wala. So, keep contributing lang. Yung iba nagbibigay ng 2 points. So, isa lang yung nandito ngayon. So, yun lang yun natin. Wala tayong additional points. Sa rewards, so ganito siya. Pwede kayong mag-redeem actually ng points using this button. Tapos dito sa sa rewards section. So, ayan, may option kayo to redeem yung point via PayPal. So, ito na yung sa pag gusto niyo monetize. So, yan. Sa PayPal, ayan. So, pwedeng 250 pesos kapag meron na kayong 285 live pack. 570 points naman for 500 pesos worth ng PayPal. At eto yung pinakabongga. 1,130 points para sa 1,000 worth na PayPal amount. So, nakapag redeem na ako ng ganyan before. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung logs ko dito. So, ayan. Yung mga previous mga survey ko, nandito rin siya. So, nag-start ako medyo matagal-tagal na. Ayan o, meron ako na-redeem na 570, which 500 pesos lahat. Tapos, prior to that, meron akong na-redeem din na 1,000 last year, sometime August. So, 1,130 points yung worth niya. Pero 1,000 pesos PayPal yung PayPal amount yung na-redeem ko. Papasok naman yun sa nyo, sa PayPal account nyo. Pakita ko sa inyo later yung paano yung mag-appear sa PayPal. Okay, sige. For example, nag-redeem tayo, PayPal. So, currently, meron lang akong 399 points. So, try natin i-redeem tong 250 for 285 life points. Yan. Click mo lang yan. And then, spend life points now. Tapos, spend life points. Yan. I-prompt niya kayo to enter yung address. Pero hindi naman niya ipapadala sa bahay niyo. So, enter mo lang yung address dyan. And then, use this address. Yun na yun. Magsisend na siya sa email niya. Teka lang. Fill out lang natin to. So, dito, ang next screen, nandiyan na yung order details. So, click niyo lang yung complete order. On the next screen, nakalagay dyan yung total points na ma-redeem. Sabi niya, your order is complete and your order number is this. Yan. Okay. So, ganun lang kadali mag-redeem ng points sa life points kapag PayPal yung chosen product nyo. Yan. So, nabawasan na tayo ng 285 points. Sa email, papasok naman yan. So, sa email, naka-indicate na yung order number. And meron siya ditong disclaimer. Madi-deposit daw to PayPal account within 5 to 10 business days. Okay, i-check natin si PayPal after 5 to 10 days. And yan, papakita ko sa inyo how it look like and from there, kung paano nyo siya ito-transfer to your bank account. Okay, so this is after 5 days. After 5 days, na-credit na sa PayPal account ko yung amount na 250 pesos. So, nakalagay naman dyan, payment from perks.com. So, ito yung previews na na-receive ko rin from perks.com. Mga surveys na sinagutan ko. Yan. Ito yung for the year 2020. So, yan. Just so makita niya na siya, legit siya. Nagbabayad talaga siya. So, yan. So, ipunin nyo lang. Mas maganda kung mas malaki. May charge and transfer from PayPal to your bank account. Okay. So, ayan. So, at least nakita natin at napakita ko sa inyo na legit na nagbabayad si Life Points. And kung gusto nyo i-transfer, mabilis lang naman. So, transfer money lang. Click nyo to. And, ayan. So, meron naman siyang option dito. Transfer to your bank in 1 to 4 days for free with a minimum of, kaya lang minimum transfer is 7,000. Or transfer to your bank or debit card in a minute for 1% fee. So, nakalagay dito minimum 10 pesos, maximum 500. Dati 50 pesos lang eh. Tignan nga natin. Tingnan natin. Ayun. So, ililink nyo lang yung card nyo dito. Ililink nyo lang yung account nyo dito. And then yun, i-ano na, may transfer na dun sa bank account nyo yung amount from PayPal. So, madali lang naman siyang gawin and i-transact. So, there you go. So, confirm, nagbabayad si Life Points and confirm, pumapasok siya sa PayPal. So, kailangan nyo lang i-transfer from your PayPal account to your bank account. Mabilis lang naman yung process nito. So, ako ipunin ko muna siya bago ko siya i-transfer. Masyado pang maliit yung 250 for me. Sayang yung charges. Normally, 50 pesos. Kung nakita nyo yung charges kanina, when transferring to a bank, dito sa history, um, ito, quick view lang. Ayan no, may 50 pesos na charge from PayPal to bank account. So, sayang naman yung 50 pesos. Palalakihin ko pa ng konti itong ano ko. Bago ko siya transfer sa bank account. Pero yun. Okay, so, ayan. At least nakita niya na kung paano yung end-to-end. Key takeaways lang before we end this video, no? So, Life Points is for you if you want to earn extra during your spare time. So, pwedeng pag habang naghihintay ka or sa bahay during weekend or kapag di ka makatulog. So, yan. So, that's the perfect time na pwede ka mag-answer ng survey just to kill time and at least stay productive somehow. And then, if you have patience in responding and completing surveys for maximum of an hour. So, minsan kasi maabot ng 1 hour yung pag-answer ng survey. So, kung wala kang patience, to medyo maiinip ka and you have to be consistent with your answer then and honest at the same time. Kaya dapat you have the patience. And then, if you want to save for something that you want to buy for yourself without hurting your saving. So, what does it mean? For example, may savings ka, syempre, you are allotting it for something else. For example, some savings for your kids or tuition fee or trip, travel. So, syempre ayaw mong galawin yung savings na yun. So, you can use Life Point, at least earn siguro 1,000 a month. In 3 months, that's 3,000 already. So, may mabibili ka na siguro something that you wanted to buy for yourself. And then, if you're happy to help other business improve their products and services, kasi yung survey na to, ginagamit ng mga companies to improve their products. So, it's more of feedback from the customer. Kaya sila nagpapa-survey. And they're paying you naman with the response that you're providing. So, might as well be honest with your response na lang din. That way, we help them na rin with their business. 'Di ba? And lastly pala, yung surveys at times may mga not secure. So, make sure na tignan nyo mabuti yung address bar. Kung secure siya, just go on and respond to the survey. Pero kung naka not secure, I suggest na wag na lang siyang sagutan. I don't know, we don't know kung saan ilalagay yung, 'di ba, yung information na yun since the site is not secure. But most of the time, it's secure. Yun, meron lang mangilan-ngilan talaga na not secure. So, alright, so maging maingat tayo pag nagsa-survey din. Okay? So, that's all my key takeaways for this video, and I hope you learned something. And if you like this and you think this is something that you can share with your friends or classmates, feel free to share so that matulungan din natin sila maka-earn ng extra income without having to ask from their parents and mga kuya, tito, and tita. Alright, so thank you and happy learning. Bye!